Welcome to a brief tutorial about your mobile nutrition and exercise app. You will receive your login from your counselor. You'll have some options for additional settings for wearable tracking devices and units of measure. The Today's Summary screen provides your daily recommended caloric intake. You'll be able to track your macro intake as well as a goal summary for your weight progress over time. The bottom menu provides options to access different screens, such as tracking your goals in weight, a daily food journal, your recommended meal plans, and your video exercise routine. The settings icon in the top right corner gives you access to some other options for additional settings with the app. The My Meals button accesses also a grocery cart, where you can set up a new grocery list, identify the days you would like to go grocery shopping for, and click Done. Foods are put neatly into food group categories to make the shopping experience a little more organized. Within each day of your eating plan, you have the option to exchange foods out for your personal food preferences. Click on the food, then the menu option, and then select Exchange. When you make an exchange, the serving size will automatically adjust to keep your calories within balance for the day. You can also save a food as a favorite for quick recall in the event that you're doing food journaling. Click on the notepad pencil icon to quickly save this meal to your log. Confirm the date. As you do this, your meals will populate to the My Log screen. You can click on the heart icon to save a meal as a favorite. Again, for quick adding to future meal dates. In this example, we'll add that favorite meal to the next day's breakfast by clicking on it and then adding to log. For logging, there's also the convenient barcode scanner, where you can scan food labels to access nutritional information and quickly save them to your custom foods. You can also keep track of the calories burned through exercise and view the remaining amount of calories, protein, carbs, and fats against what is recommended. The Today's Summary screen will show you a graphical representation of also those macronutrients and the remaining values for the day. The My Moves Video Exercise Planner will allow you to view recommended exercise routines, where each day that has exercise values and data is circled. Here you can click on the date, click on the video exercise, and view the number of sets, reps, pounds, and different values to complete that exercise. And by just clicking on the thumbnail, you'll be able to view the exercise video in a thumbnail or a full screen format. The My Moves Video Exercise Planner calendar control also features the ability to look at a schedule or list view of all dates to see upcoming exercise plans. You can also create your own workout routine by adding moves to a calendar date, by searching the database by body part and scrolling through the available workout methods. You can then add that to the date and also establish the number of sets and different values such as pounds, minutes, distance, time, and rest seconds. Enter in the values within each of the fields as you record your workout or you plan your workout. Click the pencil icon button to get into the edit mode for each field. You can click on the thumbnail to view the exercise movement in the video format. As you follow your routine, use the convenient tally checkboxes where you can identify which movements you have completed for the day. The settings screen within the application also provides access to optional settings, your custom foods, adding custom foods through barcode scanning or manual entry, or performing up and down syncs on demand. Thank you for watching, and best of luck meeting your health and fitness goals using your mobile nutrition and exercise video app.